Welcome to Money Patrol User Guide video tutorial. For this video, you will be learning everything there is to know about Money Patrol's merchants, categories, and tags. Let's get started. To manage your merchants, click Manage Merchants, and a pop-up window will appear, displaying a list of existing merchants. If you wish to change an existing merchant's name, click the pencil icon next to the merchant name. Enter the new merchant name on the pop-up window, and then click Update to apply this change. Click on Add New Merchant if you wish to add a new merchant name. Enter the new merchant name on the pop-up window and then click Save to apply this change. Click on the trash bin icon to delete an existing merchant. Note: when a merchant name is deleted, all transactions linked with that merchant will have the merchant name in A. The same goes for managing your categories. Click Manage Categories, and a pop-up window will appear, displaying a list of existing categories. If you wish to change an existing category name, click the pencil icon next to the category name. Enter the new category name on the pop-up window. Click Update to apply this change. Click on Add New Category if you wish to add a new category name. Enter the new category name on the pop-up window and then click Save to apply this change. Click on the trash bin icon to delete a category. Note: when a category name is deleted, all transactions linked with that category will have the category name in A. By clicking Category, Merchant, Tag Rule, you will be sent to a new window where you can modify or change the names of your merchants and categories. These changes will be applied automatically to your transactions associated with these merchants, categories, and tags. Category Rule enables you to change the name of an existing category. Click Add Category Rule. On the pop-up window, select an existing category you want to change. Enter the new category name. Click Create Rule. Another pop-up window will appear, displaying the transactions associated with the previous category name. This is a confirmation if you still want to continue applying these changes to these transactions. Click Apply Changes to apply the rule. Merchant Rule enables you to change the name of an existing merchant. Click Add Merchant Rule. On the pop-up window, enter an existing merchant you want to change. Select a match criteria for the existing merchant. This will help you search the associated transactions for this merchant. Exact phrase. This option will apply the rule to the transactions with the exact name of the merchant, while partial phrase will apply the rule to the transactions with the partial name of the merchant. Enter the new merchant name. Click Create Rule. Another pop-up window will appear, showing the transactions associated with the previous merchant name. This is a confirmation if you still want to continue applying these changes to the displayed transactions. Click Apply Changes to apply the rule. If you wish to edit an existing merchant or category rule, click on the pencil icon, and on the pop-up window, you can enter the new name for a certain category or merchant rule. Then click Update. A new pop-up window will appear, displaying the associated transactions for the category or merchant rule you selected. Click Apply Changes to save this rule. You can scroll all the way down to view all tag rules. To add a rule for tags, click Add Tag Rule. On the pop-up window, select the rule type. Enter a merchant or category name depending on the rule type you have selected. When entering the tags, use a comma as a separator if you want to add multiple tags. Click Add to apply the rule. Similar to the merchant and category rule, you can also edit an existing tag rule by clicking on the pencil icon. In the pop-up window, rename or add new tags on the tag rule, then click Update to apply changes. Lastly, click the trash bin icon to delete any type of rule. And this is it for merchants, categories, and tags. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please watch the other user guide videos to learn more about Money Patrol.